Good morning, my name is CSW and I will be doing the video walk around to your vehicle. Today the vehicle is in for an LOF service and a multi-point inspection. Say no more fam, we got you. All fluids have been topped off to their proper levels where needed. Coolant, washer fluid, brake fluid is underneath all that. It's freaking damn near springtime and this has been there since the fall season. We could also see that there is a rodent present in the vehicle just by looking at it and smelling it. So let's go around the vehicle. It's lived in the salt belt and by the ocean its whole life. You could see the freaking seat tracks are all rusted. Amazing. Well, you guys know what comes next. Let's take it up top and let's look at some fried chicken under there. Now that we have taken it up top, we're going to look around. Oh yeah, we got some flavor over here. We have a crevasse in the control arm bushing, and that's on both. We got two crevasses, very good. Well, not very good. Our links are all worn out, they're knocking away. Alright, let's go a little further back, because you know the further we go back, the further we go into flavor country. We have some Gugat's exhaust sleeves. It's leaking. You can see this one's all rusted and it's not holding as well and it's starting to leak. This one is holding fast. Oh, no, never mind. This one's not. Well, with the two of them together, they'll equal up to one good exhaust sleeve. Let's go a little further back because here's the fried chicken, ladies and gentlemen. There's the flavor. Yep. I know we found a pretty good sized hole right there. We got a lot coming off of it. Yep. And then we actually found this one right here. That's not good. This is what happens when you live in the salt belt down by the beach. Boy. Wow. So this car definitely needs a rear subframe amongst others. Look at that. Look at that fried chicken leg of a shock right there. Horrible. Coils, I think they've been replaced. There's no way if the subframe looks like this that they're still intact. No way. Yeah, they had to be replaced. That shock there is not looking good. It's actually leaking a little bit, but that's why there's no rust back there. Same over here. That's why there's no rust there, because it started to leak. Well, we'll advise them. We will advise them. Is anything happening over here? Nope. Alright, very good. The front subframe. Oh, looks better. Looks better than the rear. That's good. Alright guys, if you don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.